Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Gavin Wood made multi-chain NFTs a reality on Polkadot and Kusama. Polkadot and Kusama have become the first blockchains to enable multi-chain NFTs following a key update to its consensus mechanism. The update, which enables support for NFTs on the cross-consensus message format, XCM, will make it possible for the non-fungible tokens to be teleported from one chain to another, and then tracked across chains. Polkadot announced the update via Twitter and discussed the technical specifics in a post on GitHub. The Polkadot blockchain is ideally suited to implement such a capability, as its whole premise is to solve the problem of a lack of interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot is an extensive network that comprises not only its main blockchain but also paired chains, of which there will eventually be 100. The paired chains all support different use cases and protocols, and run in parallel with the main Polkadot chain, with the key advantage being that it's possible to transfer any asset, token or data between them. Kusama, meanwhile, is a public pre-production environment for Polkadot that allows developers to experiment and test new blockchains or applications before releasing them on the network. Like Polkadot, Kusama also has many paired chains. XCM is a format that describes how messages between chains should be performed. It's designed to be a common language for communicating between different consensus mechanisms, wherein all of the data on a message transfer is sent through Polkadot's or Kusama's relay chain. Doing this allows every paired chain on those networks to verify those messages, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any two paired chains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for NFTs to play a far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform on a different chain, using their NFT as collateral. Interoperable NFTs would also help to accelerate adoption, others believe. At present, the NFT landscape is quite fractured. While most are based on the Ethereum blockchain, there are many that are not. That has led to the rise of multiple NFT marketplaces for each type of token, adding confusion to the space for new users. By making it possible for NFTs to teleport onto other chains, Polkadot and Kusama will help to eliminate much of the confusion around them and accelerate adoption. And second news today about Polkadot paired chain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama paired chain hub Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Hyco Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Hyco's vision as an integrated DeFi paired chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot paired chain. In fact, the project combines not one but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for paired chain auctions. On the longer timeframe charts, bulls hope that Polkadot would be able to form an accumulation phase and break out of the downtrend. In other news, Polkadot as a network has been a big part of crypto donations to Ukraine over the past few days. DOT 12-hour chart, market uncertainty in Bitcoin's fall under the $40,000 level prompted DOT to slide beneath $24. In the week since then, Bitcoin has hauled itself back above the $40,000 to trade at $43,200 at press time. And yet, DOT saw no such reprieve. Moreover, the price fell beneath the previous lows of $15.88 to fall as far south as $14.5 before finding demand. This is more likely to be contrarian traders who saw an opportunity after the steep drop, rather than investors who see DOT to be in an area of value. The market structure, at press time, was bearish, and the previous lows appear to have been breached. $20.5 and $19 have rejected the price too. Rationale: the RSI was unable to climb past the 56 mark, which has been a relatively important level in the past few months. Generally, a move above 55 to 60 on the RSI has heralded gains for DOT. Consistently being above this level would indicate a strong uptrend. Instead, the RSI has stayed under the neutral 50 level to denote a downtrend for the past 3 months. The awesome oscillator poked its nose above the zero line, but could be forced back under due to the rejection at $19. The OBV has been sliding south consistently. This is a sign that selling volume has steadily outmuscled buying volume in recent months. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.